Eating now, thanks God. The diner or lunch, I forget. It's diner during the night. Wow. Miojo, ramen, and other things here inside the miojo. Shreps, one of my favorites. Um, I put this cream cracker on miojo, very good. And I also buy some things before. You know what I'm saying? I buy these shorts from Kappa, one of my favorite brands also. The first brand that I ever used when I was a child. Really nice. I remember that my mom bring Kappa shorts to me, and also Kappa pants. Uh, and it was really amazing. I love this brand since I was a child. So look, I buy and it's really beautiful, really beautiful. I buy another one also from Kappa. This one, this one here. Look at the logo type of the brand. This one, really nice. I buy on Centauro, and now I'm using. I'm very happy. Thanks God.